Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and Chief Revenue Officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about creating effective sponsored brands ads. Let's jump in. If you are following along from my screen, we're going to walk through the process of creating effective sponsored brands ads on Amazon. Sponsored brands ads are a fantastic way to showcase your brand and a collection of products, boosting visibility and driving traffic to your Amazon store or custom landing pages. First, log into your Seller Central account and navigate to the Campaign Manager by clicking the burger icon in the top left corner. Once you're in the Campaign Manager, click Create Campaign. Here, you'll see 4 options: Sponsored Products, Sponsored Brands, Sponsored Display, and Sponsored TV. Today, we're focusing on Sponsored Brands, so go ahead and click that option. Now let's dive into setting up your Sponsored Brands campaign. Start by giving your campaign a name. This should be something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. Next, assign it to a portfolio if you're using them to organize your campaigns. Set your start and end dates, and then decide on your daily budget. This is the amount you're willing to spend each day on this campaign. Select the brand you want to advertise. You'll then be prompted to set your campaign goals. You have 2 options here: drive page visits or grow brand impression share. Choose the goal that aligns with your campaign objectives. Next, there's an option to turn on automated bidding. This allows Amazon to automatically optimize bids for placements other than the top of search, potentially improving your ad performance without constant manual adjustments. Now, it's time to set up your ad group. Start with an ad group name, which helps you keep things organized. Then, choose your ad format. Sponsored brands ads can be in the form of a product collection, store spotlight, or video. Each format serves different purposes, so pick the one that best suits your campaign goals. After selecting the ad format, you'll need to choose a landing page. This could be your Amazon store or a new landing page tailored to this campaign. Then, set up your targeting. You can opt for keyword targeting, which allows you to choose specific keywords relevant to your products, or product targeting, which lets you target specific products or categories. If you have any negative keywords, add them here to prevent your ads from showing for irrelevant searches. This helps to refine your audience and improve your ad spend efficiency. Next, name your ad and move on to the creative section. Here you'll upload your brand logo, enter your brand name, and craft a compelling headline. Select the products you want to feature in the ad and upload any custom images you want to include. Make sure your images are high quality and visually appealing to grab customers' attention. Finally, review all your settings and click Submit to launch your campaign. Regularly monitor your campaign performance in the Campaign Manager to make necessary adjustments and optimizations. And that's how you create effective sponsored brands ads on Amazon. Start experimenting with different ad formats, targeting strategies, and creatives to see what works best for your brand. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.